Welcome everybody. In this video you'll learn how to use CSS Utilities, and Ionic comes with CSS Utility classes to do some stuff like text modification, element placement, flex properties, etc. So let's start by removing our grid and let's make some paragraphs. Let's put some lorem ipsum text, and now let's repeat the paragraph 2 times, and now we can put ion dash text dash any property we put from text align, like center or ion text justify. And now it's right here, so we can use stuff for we can put breakpoints, so like for responsiveness, so we can type ion text and here you put the breakpoint to make it medium and make it right. So if you go to make the screen bigger, and now went to the right, and we can also do text transformation, so ion text anything with text transform, we put it right here like uppercase, and now it's text all will be uppercase. And now next thing is element placement with float elements. So if you like to do your grid with float, so you can use unfloat, like this unfloat, and here's a property for float, like let's make it right, and to see the effect let's put a style tag, attribute with width of 200 pixels, and now being floated right. And still we can also make it with breakpoints, so like medium stuff, etc. So let's delete this and move to the next thing, which is element displacement. So it's all about a CSS class with ion height. It hides the element but it still in the DOM, so let's add display none, and we can use breakpoints just like small and then down or up. So down means anything smaller than the breakpoint of small or at small, or and up is the vice versa, the opposite on it. So let's try down, and now it will be hidden. And then we have content space. So it's the first thing is padding. So the default Ionic padding is 16 pixels. So if you add ion padding, it will make a padding for all directions for 16 pixels. And of course not showing because we are hiding. So now it's being padded for 15 pixels. There are another classes like ion padding top or ion padding start and bottom vertical, which applies padding to top and bottom like this. And then we have horizontal, and then there's ion no padding. So let's add padding for our ion content. And now it looks much better. And then there is a margin, which is the same as padding. Each class is, all classes are the same, but except we type ion margin, not ion padding, which adds 16 pixels. So let's try it. Ion margin top. Now, and why we don't see margin effect here? Because it actually has margin. So if we type ion no margin, we will see its shrinks now. And now the last thing is border display. we will not talk about the flex properties in this video, because we talked about it in the last video with the grid system. So for border, it's only one class, which is ion no border, so it removes the border. Let's try it on the header, ion no border, and now this border will be removed. And now another thing I wanted to mention is breakpoint sizes. So for XS, means small 0, width is 0, small 576 pixels, medium 768 pixels, large 192 pixels, X large 1200 pixels. So that's it for this video.